Ah, hi there. It's a really quiet day. Everybody's going to get hungry. I guess we better make some dinner. Now, the thing about this channel is food's easy. Cooking's easy. Dinner's easy. And when I show you this, you're not going to believe me. So let's keep in mind that dinner for the rest of the world is often just a plate of grub. So let's make some grub. Okay, so what do we got? Well, I'm not even heating the onions. I got a pan. Yeah, a pan. Just as simple as could be. I got a can of black beans. I drained them a little bit, so it's just kind of a can of beans. Yeah, that's it. I got one of these little cans of tomato sauce. I got a magic ingredient called Sofrito by a company called Goya. Yeah, this used to be hard to find, but I could find it. Now it's just completely gone. So I have to order this on Amazon myself. And I'm going to shake in about a third of a jar of that. So that's about 4 ounces or so. There we go. Hello, Mr. Sofrito. Yeah, I made this the other night for Mrs. Chef. And the first thing she said is this on the channel? This is really good. Okay, I'm having a little trouble getting some of that out. Hello, are you still here? So, let's use a spoon to get some of that out. There we go. Yeah, the burner's still off. Here's a magic ingredient. This is a Scotch bonnet pepper. I cut it in half, cleaned out some of the seeds, but not all of them. I like it kind of spicy. Okay, I got 3 strips of bacon, cut to pieces. Raw bacon, cold pan. Okay, so yeah, you see that this is a really hard recipe right now, don't you? So let's go take a look. Alright, there is one thing that needs, and that's a little bit of chicken stock. Yeah, it's going to need a little bit more than that. I'll monitor it and see how we do. Chicken stock. But yeah, that's basically it. Now all you got to do is just heat this up until the bacon cooks. And if it seems to be getting a little dry, you can add some chicken stock. And what do you do with that? Well, those are going to be some pretty good beans. What you do is make up some rice. And what I like to do is take a small rice bowl here, fill it with cooked rice, flip it upside down in the middle of a bowl or a plate, and then surround that with some beans. You can top that with some guacamole. Squeeze tube, stays fresh in the fridge. Sour cream, squeeze tube, stays fresh in the fridge. And some pimento stuffed olives. So, dinner. That's it. Can of beans, can of tomato sauce, little sofrito, Scotch bonnet, some chicken stock. Serve that with some white rice. You got a nice dinner that you don't have to do a lot to make. That's it. It's social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe and all of that good stuff. Thank you. Goodbye.